That air filter looks a little crusty. Let's change it. In the hole, in the other hole, and yank. That looks a little crusty. One glove, oh, two gloves. It's not working. I got it on there. Reach all the way in the back and twist your fingers and yank. Let's undress it one-handed. I know you guys got this. Take that dress and throw it in the corner because we don't need it. Now just get yourself a new one and let's put it back on them. Extremely hard to do one-handed. Now putting it in is the most difficult part. You gotta line it up and sometimes just shove it all the way in there and back on the bike, back in the hole and the other hole. Now we're done, but guys,